Hi everyone, this is JB from Life Mastery Partners. Today we are going to see how to edit our videos on YouTube. You can ask me why we need to use YouTube inbuilt editor when we have our professional editing softwares. The reason is, if you edit your old videos for some reason by downloading, edit and re-upload, you will lose your views and watch hours. This is the reason we must use YouTube editor to perform editing for our old videos. Without further delay, let's jump into the how-to part. Log in to YouTube and go to YouTube Studio. Click on Video section. Scroll down and click on the video which you want to edit. I am going to edit this video. Go to Editor. Click on Trim to enter into trim mode. Here you can zoom. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you won't miss any new videos. Thanks for supporting. Now click on the timeline from where you want to trim. Click Split to split the video. Click and drag to select the portion which you want to remove. If you click on this X icon, it will undo our split, so don't do it. Click on the preview to apply the trim. Make sure to save the edited video. Now it prompts whether you are going to save changes. Yes, you can click on save. See, now it says video is being processed. Please check back later. So it will take some time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment if you have any doubts.